Okay, now we're going into financial accounting and FICO controlling as well. And in financial accounting, of course, we'll cover general ledger quite a bit, and we'll be covering the master records, chart of accounts. Okay. And in controlling, of course, we have a lot to do, which includes cost element accounting, cost element accounting, profitability analysis, profit center accounting, product cost controlling. I mean, there's a lot to do in that. Okay. So, speaking of financial accounting in general ledger, we have master records. In master records, we will be creating GLs. GLs are very basic requirement of your entire landscape. Okay, and if we talk about the GLs, for example, as we have this company code, we'll be creating a company code and we'll be creating GLs as well. And how does a GL look like? It looks like this. Okay, and we'll be setting up the entire chart of accounts. Now, this is the chart of accounts, and this is the details of the GL accounts. Okay, so next step is that this was a very short overview, and okay. Now, next step is SPRO implementation guide. And over here, our first step is enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. I know this sounds a little bit difficult, but just follow it. Just listen, sit back and just listen. Okay. What I'll do, I will copy the company code. I know it will not make any sense right now. Okay. But just follow it blindly. From company code, LAP9. So our company will be a car producing manufacturing company. Okay. And let's say what it will be SAP 9. Okay. Company code. Once you start practicing it, it will be easier for you. Okay. LAP9. LAP9 not found. L9. Why? Don't tell me that I cannot copy it. 11 of T, 11 of T, L, in A, leasing, company code. LAP9. Okay. LAP9. Now, why am I copying LAP9? Because let me just share this. Okay, what we are doing and what we'll be doing today, make a company code, chart of accounts. Why? Because this is our FICO, product costing, cost controlling configuration. Okay. So for that, we need, first step is company code, then we need a chart of accounts, and then we need the field status variants and posting period variants and fiscal year variant. What these are, I will tell you that. So why do we need company code? Because company code captures GL entries. It is the basic unit of an organization that can publish its own financial statements. Okay. Chart of accounts, this is collection of GLs like assets, liabilities, income, expense. Okay. Field status variant, this is GL account controls, field control. Now, what is field? That I'll tell you later. Posting period variant. Now, posting period variant is allowing system to post from period 1 to 12, period by period, or all periods, or one by one. Okay. Fiscal year variant, very in simple words, is fiscal year variant is either Jan to December, July to June, and for or April to March, whatever your customer company actually follows. Okay. So the first is, now why are we copy company code? Why? Because there are some table settings by default given by SAP. So we are just copying the table settings, nothing else. We're not copying configuration. As we see, it is asking for, do you want to copy GL accounts? I said no. Do you want to copy control assignment controlling area? What is controlling area? Let me tell you that as well. That is basically hierarchy. Now, in a hierarchy of an enterprise, the top most is the mother company. Okay, mother. Okay, and mother company is basically represented as operating concern in SAP. That's the name in SAP. And under operating concern comes controlling area. Within controlling area, you have cost center accounting, profit center accounting, and product costing, and so on. And under controlling area, we have company codes. Okay, and under company codes, we have plant, sales org, purchase org, personal areas. This is for HCM. What else? Plant, sales org, purchase org, personal areas, location, storage location. I mean, these report to the company codes. So company codes basically are operational units. Okay. And company codes can have their own currency. Controlling area will have its own currency, different currency. Okay. So do you want to copy the assignment? I will say no. I will make my own company code. Okay. Do you want to allocate a different local currency? Yes, my currency will be AED. Continue. And it will start copying certain data. Okay. I know this is a little bit complex, but don't worry. Practice it 1 to 2 times, and that's it. Okay. And the logic will actually start settling in. You want to transport ranges? Yes. Now it's copy. Okay. So speaking of other things, until this actually gets done, there are other things I want to share with you. Valuation. Now, what is valuation? Valuation is basically putting or placing a value. Like I have a car. What its value? market value, demand value, goodwill value, okay, international value, okay. These are values. Similarly, in SAP, there are um, three types of valuations. One, legal valuation. Two, group valuation. Third, profit center valuation. Okay, legal valuation is for financial statements and it is represented with zero. It is denoted with the symbol zero. It's not number, but symbol zero. Group valuation, this is for group reporting, represented by symbol 1. Profit center, this is basically for controlling area or costing side valuation. Why do we need this? Because we want to see, this is for management. I won't say controlling area, but for management reporting. And this is for financial statement reporting. Okay. Represented by these symbols. Currencies in SAP. One, no, company code. Currency represented by symbol 1. Okay, this is done. SAP 9. If I config some facility. Okay. Okay, this is copying some more. Company code currency. Controlling area currency. No. Controlling area currency represented by 2. Profit group currency represented by 3. Now what is this? Now what is this currency? Now company code currency. Now company is situated in Sharjah. Controlling area currency. Now the company is operating in Sharjah. Its corporate office is in Sharjah, but its plant is operating, let's say, in China or Singapore or Australia, right? So, and group currency, the group headquarter is situated in, let's say, case. So Sharjah will have its own currency. AD, this will have its own currency. Let's say it has 3 plants, USD, and this will have SAR. Company code copied to SAP 9. Okay, now this is done. Next step is next step. Okay, next step is segment. Now, what is a segment? This is a business niche, business vertical. Okay. Segment is business vertical. Business vertical can be passenger vehicle, and for example, detergents, spare parts. These are business verticals. So we'll make one. Come on. That will be that passenger vehicles. ZAP 9. Industry. SUV. ZAP 9. save. Okay.